In today's video, I am going to teach you how to calculate discount percentage in Excel. To begin, click on cell C2 or whichever cell you want to use to display the discount percentage. This is where Excel will show the result of your calculation. Make sure you are selecting the correct row so the result matches the values you are working with. Next, type or paste the formula into that cell, and then press Enter on your keyboard. As soon as you do that, Excel will calculate the discount percentage for that row. If your formula is set up correctly, you should see a decimal result appear in the cell. That is normal at this stage because Excel often shows percentage values as decimals before formatting is applied. Once the formula is working in C2, move your mouse to the bottom right corner of that cell. You will see a small square there. Hover carefully until your cursor changes into a black plus sign. This is called the fill handle, and it allows you to copy the same formula down the column without having to retype it again and again. When the black plus sign appears, you can either double-click or click and drag downward. If you double-click, Excel will usually fill the formula down automatically for the rest of the data in the adjacent column. If you prefer more control, drag the fill handle down manually to apply the formula to as many rows as you need. This is a quick and reliable way to calculate discount percentages for an entire list. After that, highlight the new column that contains your results. Then go to the Home tab at the top of Excel. In the number group, click the % style button, which is marked with the % symbol. This will change your decimal values into percentage format. For example, a result like 0.20 will display as 20%, which is much easier to read and understand. Formatting the results as percentages makes your worksheet cleaner and helps avoid confusion when reviewing your data. It is a small step, but it makes a big difference in presentation. Once that is done, your discount percentages will be calculated and displayed clearly across the column. That covers everything you need to know.